Wet Processing System with a washing screen and bucket wheel washer dealing with gravel stone. The initial material with slime and mud enters the BSTYE washing screen to get washed and separated into different sizes. The material first rinsed and separated in the washing screen using the dewatering method. Afterward, the washed and cleaned material gets transferred to other stages by belt conveyors in different sizes. While the materials in the first two decks of the screening machine are separating the stones with sizes of 25 to 60 and more than 60 mm, the third deck separates the smallest gravels with the size of 0 to 7 mm to get transferred out as sand and gravel. But before it, the material goes through the bucket wheel washer to remove the impurities such as remaining slime and dust. The bucket wheel washer is equipped with more than one bucket, depending on its diameter, and is ideal for abrasive materials. These kinds of washing machines are very popular in gravel pits, building materials, mining, concrete mixing stations, etc. For more information, please feel free to contact us.